Life is short. Take vacations. You know, while that's going to the Maldives, on a beautiful beach, or just going to a lake cabin a couple hours away. We need to take off time from school and work to recharge our batteries and just kind of kick back and relax. Those of us who use more of our vacation time to travel are happier. And actually, when you return back to work, you're more productive than another person who's just been toiling away in their cubicle, never taking any of your leave. And surprisingly, you're more likely to be promoted at work if you're the person who's on vacation all the time. Which is like mind-boggling, but I think it goes back to the idea that if you're happier and you're more productive, you're more likely to get promoted. And I think it takes a lot of us a while to come to that conclusion. But once you realize that, you're like, yeah, this is pretty awesome.